Sudhanshu Trivedi, for all the tall claims that Mr. Rahul Gandhi makes about Dalits, the first reaction is, oh, people have come from the US, they don't know the ground situation, and therefore, what they are saying is not right. Sudhanshu Trivedi, please respond.
I want to further extrapolate what Tehsil Poonawalla has said. Yes, of course, my dear friend, what is coming from US, I would like to point out. This George Soros Open Society Foundation and his son Jonathan Soros Foundation, which is, I think, Save the Democracy or Defenders of Democracy or something like that. And not only this, there is one Henry Lucy Foundation by one Mr. Christopher Charlotte, who has given a project there in 2021, which was duly funded by these organizations, how to tackle Hindu majoritarianism. Then they have given a concept and project of caste census, to put a project of caste census. And I ask you, can you tell a single video of Rahul Gandhi before 2021 when he talked about caste census? Now, the needle of suspicion, I am not making an allegation, I am putting it to the wisdom of the millions of viewers which were watching. And this is not saying in a normal way. Sputnik magazine of Russia has mentioned this before the election results of India has come. And this election was the only election in Indian history in which a billionaire sitting outside George Soros has said, I put $1 billion to remove Modi. And for the first time, a government, I am not showing a published report, a government, Russian government has said that Indian elections have been interpreted. Now I would like to ask, if Rahul Gandhi was saying correct, I would like to again say, yes, you are correct that this is caste, not caste census, it is caste survey. Then why Rahul Gandhi's dozens of videos are available during the election campaign? देखो भैया, हमने तो कह दिया था नीतीश कुमार से कि जातिगत सर्वे तो कराना पड़ेगा. And he was also telling a lie. I want to tell the viewers, go and check. The decision of caste survey in Bihar was done in June 2022 when was BJP JDU government was there. On 7th and 8th of August 2022, JDU joined hands with RJD and then the process started in August. So Rahul Gandhi was totally telling a lie. And again, I would like to say, if he was saying that he was so much, so I would just like to listen viewers to this voice.
Just one reply.
मेरा विश्वास जातिवाद में नहीं है. मैं तो चाहूंगी कि ये शब्द हम हटा दें अपने देश से. हम सब अपने को एक माने. इस महान देश के महान नागरिक अपनी तय को माने. किन बातों ने हमको पीछे रखा? कौन से रोड़े हमारे रास्ते में आए कि हम तेजी से आगे नहीं बढ़ सके? कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं, कुछ ऐसे तबके हैं जो जाति के नाम से समाज को चोट पहुंचाते हैं. ये है हमारी कमजोरी.
अब बताइए, इंदिरा गांधी on 15th of August 1983 was right और राहुल गांधी today is right. And one more thing, sir. हम लोगों की जनरेशन को तो वो भी याद है सर. एक लाइन और बोल दूं, एक लाइन. तब नारा होता था, जात पे ना पात पे, इंदिरा जी की बात पे मोहर लगेगी हाथ पे. एंड नाउ राहुल गांधी हैज सेड, ये तो उन्हीं के अपने पुरखों की बात को रख के लात पे पार्टी ले आए फुटपाथ पे. एंड हु स्टॉप कास्ट सेंसस? नेहरू स्टॉप कास्ट सेंसस. इंदिरा सेड जात पे ना पात पे, इंदिरा जी की बात पे. ऑन 6 December 1992 राजीव गांधी अपोज. एंड राहुल गांधी बिफोर 2021 नेवर सेड लाइक दिस. Now, I leave to the wisdom of the viewers. They can go and connect the fact. Then
allow me one line.
Agree with you
allow
that
me
something
one line.
is coming from outside America and Europe.
One line, just one line. Worst one line rebuttal. Rahul Gandhi is bad, Indira ji was wrong, Nehru ji is wrong. You have the caste census data, please release it. Put your money where your mouth is. Rajnath Singh.
Why don't you put it in Karnataka where your mouth is, Tehsil Poonawalla? That's what Chetan Kumar is daring you.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence to be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free. To think big and achieve bigger. to take India to the world and the world to India. Creating pathways of self-reliance to stand for progress, the planet and the people. Towards a future made perfect. And be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history. It's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.